Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the word artist, a simple yet inspiring noun that refers to someone who creates art. This word captures the essence of creativity and imagination. An artist is someone who brings beauty, emotion, and ideas to life through various forms of expression like painting, drawing, sculpting, music, dance, or even digital media. You might think of famous painters, talented musicians, or even a friend who sketches in their free time. They're all artists in their own right. Some synonyms for artist include creator, painter, and sculptor. For example, the painter carefully selected colors to depict the sunset, or the sculptor transformed a block of marble into a lifelike statue. These words highlight specific types of artists or emphasize the creative process. Antonyms for artist include amateur and critic, which carry very different meanings. For instance, the amateur struggled to convey emotion in their work, or the critic analyzed the piece but didn't create anything themselves. These terms contrast with the skill and creativity associated with an artist. In everyday life, you might use the word artist when appreciating someone's creative talent. You could say, "My sister is an artist who specializes in watercolor landscapes," or "street artist painted a vibrant mural downtown." The term is also used metaphorically, such as when someone is highly skilled in their craft, like "he's an artist in the kitchen." Here are a few more examples to show artist in action. The young artist displayed her work at the local gallery. An artist often finds inspiration in nature and everyday moments. The graffiti artist added color and life to the city walls. To wrap up, we've explored the meaning of artist, its synonyms like creator and painter, and its antonyms like amateur and critic. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using artist and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep celebrating the power of words. Thanks for listening.